In today's video, I will show you how to make your desktop aesthetic and attractive. So it is really the most attractive OS out there. Matter of fact, I believe that every OS work a bit good. How it really boils down how you use it. You can still be a super utilitarian sociopath who does not care about aesthetics on your desktop and you have no personality. Or you can be like me, who can spend way too much time thinking their desktop to aesthetic, to look aesthetic, instead of studying for final and still have no personality. So strap on your seat belt because in this video I'll show you how to make your desktop aesthetic. So firstly, we need to clean our desktop. So right click and here the first option, new. Stay on new and there will be the last option, show desktop icons. So uncheck these, all icon will be go from here. So now our desktop is cleaned. So if you guys are also thinking about taskbar, so don't think of it, I will set it for you. So right click on the taskbar and from here you can go to the setting. If once you go to setting, there will be one option, or this option, click this option means to check this option. So the taskbar will automatically hide from itself. So our first step has been completed. Let's come to another in which we're changing our background. So open Chrome, search here for aesthetic wallpaper. What type of wallpaper you need, that's on your. So here I'm go to the link, clicking the link, and from here I'm choosing the picture. Which one I will choose? I will choose this one. So download this image. I'm downloading this image. You guys download whatever you want. So to change the background wallpaper, I'll go to the Explore panel and download. There will be my picture downloaded from Chrome. So here I'm right clicking, set as background desktop. So from here you can see my desktop background is really aesthetic and this was good.